Azumah Nelson, a skillful boxer as well as ferocious puncher.
From the universally adored boxer, Azumah Nelson, to the highly controversial Bukom Banku, this is the story of a small fishing township in Accra that has produced 7 world boxing champions and counting. Bukom is situated in Jamestown. Jamestown is inhabited predominantly by the Ga people. Bukom is flanked by relics of colonial architecture, forts, lighthouse, and fishing harbor. Most of the men in Bukom fish, and women engage in fishmongering, and it is their main source of livelihood.
Mepi ajabijan cape kedi bi fe ogamechun ye bi
we awon wa yage wona chika ye mi wa ojugba chibi ani ni bi gbo yen ni ya nu emi e wo e ani chika afa to mo beni first ni yo
muni ba je so ga sane no boskin okra boskin ni muni sane so maga e ya wu e la okra wu ya mi.
Bukom's fixation on boxing comes from the determination to survive in the face of hardship.
Fishing is a work, but if you don't have the passion for boxing, then you can go in for the fishing. And I can tell you, if you join boxing and you try, I think where boxing can take you, sorry, fishing cannot take you there.
Decided to pick the young ones and we train them, because most of the boxers we know in this world, they start early. That's why I'm forcing to train the kids more than adults.
The equipment we have is not good, but we manage to fix it ourselves, because sometimes it's a financial problem. So if you go and call someone in to come and fix it for you, he will charge you a lot of money. I can tell you, if you have the equipment that they have outside there, I think every year Ghana can produce a world champion.
There is no difference when I fight a boy or a girl. The work is not for a girl, it's for a man. So if I try to be a boxer, I have to be like a man.
I'm fighting with girls too, and it is normal if I'm fighting with boys because she attacks like guys.
When the Gas were subjected to British colonial divisive politics, the poor remained united through their fighting groups, which was a centuries-old tradition of bare-knuckled fighting, dating from the 17th century.
In the olden days, they create a group from maybe, I can say, Jamestown, and the other group from maybe Kolewoko. So they will come and meet at some junction. But when you see them fighting, they can even carry you and drop you down.
That was later assimilated into boxing when the sport was introduced here early last century. Bukom has spurred the interest and growth of boxing throughout Ghana and garnered attention internationally.
I discovered Jamestown as I discovered Ghana, and through discovering Jamestown, I luckily discovered the inside of a gym that got me to discover the tradition and passion of boxing that exists in Ghana.
After over 5 decades of both successes and challenges, Ghana continues to put structures in place to support the sport in terms of facilities, promotion, publicity, and mentorship. What is the future of Bukom? It's hard to tell.
I know by the grace of the gods of the Ghana land, one day Jamestown will rise.
Follow the champions, relive the stakes, see the women and adoring fans in this new breakout 5-part documentary.